Gonna make a quick video of my tools that I have. Comment down below if you would like to know more info about a certain tool. I'm gonna start with this one. FlexVolt 2.5 gallon cordless compressor. The Makita rear handle, 36 volt. Takes 2 batteries right there. The Makita brushless also, with the rafter hook. There's just a DeWalt router. Sighting gun, fencing gun. Oscillating tool. This is just the M12, what's it called? Drill? Hammer drill? This is the 16 gauge DeWalt cordless finish gun. This is the Milwaukee Fuel 21 degree framing nailer. And then this is the M12 Rocket Light. The small battery there. This is the 7 1/4 20 volt sliding miter saw, single bevel, which is pretty good. Battery goes right there. I had the Makita 36 volt one, but it was way too heavy, so I just got this one because I'm doing small jobs, so I want to carry it, and this one you can carry with one hand, so it's pretty good. And these, I just buy these for all my screws, my bits. This, I took all these out right there, and I just put all my DeWalt batteries in there. This one I just use for all my finish nails. This one I use for all my Makita batteries. This right here is the M12 Milwaukee Fuel cutoff tool. Little light right there. 4.0 battery. Comes with the dust collection. Comes with the towel blade and a blade to cut metal, and another blade to cut, an all-purpose blade. It comes with a bag and one 4.0 battery. That one's $119 at Home Depot right now, so you might want to go get that one. And this is the video I posted yesterday at Home Depot. I ended up buying it. I gotta organize all my tools into here. Pretty awesome. That right there is 12-foot ladder, and you can break it down into that to put it into your trunk or something. What else do I have? Oh yeah, forgot about this thing. This is the Milwaukee Fuel Gen 3 hammer drill and impact drill. Yeah, so just comment down below if you want a review about a certain tool. I am going to be making videos about them, but as soon as I get a chance, I'm going to make a video about one of these things, about one of these tools that I have. Yeah, but this saw right here is an awesome one. Smooth, it's not too heavy, The batteries last all day on it. It takes 2 batteries, but the batteries last all day long. Oh yeah, I forgot I had this. This is the Metabo triple hammer. If you know, then you know that this is a powerful gun. Yep. These are the gloves that I had posted yesterday at Home Depot. Very good deal on these. That's all I got for today. Leave a comment, subscribe, hit the like button. Thank you.